Angel SR. There has been a small SR for many years in the market. This is a perfect for simple, easy closure, but old. So, we created a better one called Angel. Please take a look at the male legs. If you compare it with other SR legs, the Angel legs has triangle shape. This angle helps super easy engagement. Also, it will pop out so fast, and you'll find a fun opening. It is absolutely kids-friendly and long fingernail friendly part, which has a nice flat and soft line width.
If you are interested in this new buckle and have any question, please email to below address. And also visit Woojin website. You can find more variety option from it. As always, Woojin buckle will fuel your desire to create better products.